name's Michelle and we're here in South Regional Library's Makerspace, and today we're going to make Bristlebots. Alright, so these are the supplies that will be included in your kit. There's a toothbrush, a piece of double stick foam, a coin battery, a toothbrush motor, electric toothbrush motor, and some chenille sticks and some googly eyes, which I don't have today. So, to get started, you're going to take your toothbrush and put it bristle side down on the surface that you're working on. Next, you're going to take the double stick foam and peel off the sticker on one side and stick it to the top, the colored part of your toothbrush, like this. And you can restick it if you want. It's sort of forgiving, so if you mess up, it's okay. Smush it down like this. The bristles are down and your foam is stuck to the top. Okay, so now it looks like this. Next, we're going to peel the top sticker off so that it's ready to work with. And we're going to take our toothbrush motor and stick it on one end of the toothbrush like this, where this little spinny part is over the edge, so it's not, because this part is going to spin and it's going to make your Bristlebot move. So we want to make sure that this is clear of the foam part. Now, for your wires, you're going to stick your white wire straight in the air, and then your other wire, some of them are black, some of them are red. You're going to curl a little bit and place it stuck to the foam. This. Okay. So what we're going to do next is take our coin battery, and you'll notice there's a positive and a negative side. So what we're going to do is take the bumpy side, the negative side, and place it on top of that black wire so that it makes a connection. So now your Bristlebot should look like this. Then next, we're going to put our pipe cleaners on. These will work as little legs to help balance it, because with the motor and the battery on top, it kind of wobbles. So what I usually do is hold them down kind of like bug legs or spider legs. And you can do them crisscross like this. They stick to the foam just like your other pieces, and you kind of fold them down like this. And then with your eyes, you can stick your eyes anywhere you want. Then, okay, we've got it on our counter, and the negative part is connected to the non-white wire. Now we're going to take our white wire and fold it down. And there you go. And he moves all by himself so long as that white wire has connection with the positive side of the battery. And you know, you see he's kind of going around in a circle because one of my legs is longer on one side, but you can adjust that and he'll go more straight. Ooh, there he goes.
Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your new Bristlebot.